still a group. It's just that we do our own thing now. You know, like Katya has her album. You know, Andrea's busy playing, I think, Contra Vida Rose, if I'm not mistaken. I'm busy hosting and singing. So, you know, it's kind of different. But, you know, you get to miss it because I was so used to working with them every day, seeing them every day. And then now you work alone. So it's kind of different. It was easy. It's a very fast shoot. But I think the problem was more when, you know, we had to do the cover shoot. Well, it wasn't really a problem. It was more of like positioning ourselves. And then we all thought we were gonna go bare. That's it. The shoot was fun, actually. I trust FHM as much as they trust me, so I'm really thankful. And you know, hopefully, for those guys out there who've been waiting for this, I hope they really, you know, grab a copy. Hole. Not part by part. You know, when you get there, just beat me up. Oh,
So,
oh my god!